Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to remove your transaction history in Apple Pay. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it and here you'll see all your Apple Pay settings. Now, Apple doesn't give you a direct option to delete individual transactions, but there's a simple workaround. Go ahead and turn off Apple Cash by tapping on it and switching it off. This will remove the transactions from showing up on your iPhone, although your balance and activity are still stored securely with Apple. If you want to completely refresh everything, the next step is to sign out of your Apple ID. Just head back to Settings, tap your name at the top, scroll all the way down and select Sign Out. Once you sign back in, your wallet will appear reset and your past transactions won't be visible anymore on your device. Keep in mind, your bank or card issuer may still keep a record of your payments, so this method only clears it from your iPhone. And that's it. Now you know how to remove Apple Pay transaction history. Apple Pay keeps records, but if you want a smarter alternative for payments, Wise has you covered. It's cheaper than banks, works worldwide, and comes with free virtual and physical debit cards you can use anywhere. Use the link below to sign up for free and claim your first $800 transfer with zero fees.